Organic farming. Organic farming is a technique which involves cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the biological materials avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing the pollution and wastage. Objectives of organic farming: increase genetic diversity, promote more usage of natural pesticides, ensure the right soil cultivation at the right time, keep and build good soil structure and fertility, control pests, disease and weeds. Features: protecting soil quality using organic material and encouraging biological activity. Indirect provision of crop nutrients using soil microorganisms. Nitrogen fixation in soil using legumes. Weed and pest control based on methods like crop rotation, biological diversity, natural predators. Organic manures and suitable chemical, thermal and biological intervention. Rearing of livestock, taking care of housing, nutrition, health, rearing and breeding. Care of the larger environment and conservation of natural habitats. There are three types of organic farming: pure organic farming, integrated organic farming, and integration of. Benefits of and limitations of organic farming. There are many benefits and limitations of organic farming. Benefits: disease and pest resistance, weed competitiveness, lower input cost, drought resistance, added value. Limitations: organic manure is not abundantly available and on plant nutrients basis it may be more expensive than chemical fertilizers if organic inputs are purchased. Production in organic farming declines especially during first few years, so the farmers should be given premium prices for organic produce. The guidelines for organic production, processing, transportation and certification etc. are beyond the understanding of ordinary Indian farmer. Marketing of organic produce is also not properly streamlined. Organic farming in India. According to the World Organic Agri Report 2018, India is home to 30% of total organic producers in the world, but accounts for just 2.59% of total organic cultivation area of 557.8 million hectares. At the same time, most organic farmers are struggling due to poor policy measures, rising input costs, and limited market, says a study by the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India and global consultants of firm and Ernst & Young. Why India needs organic farming? The main reason farmers stay to farm organically is their concern about working with agricultural chemicals in conventional farming system. As many farm chemicals require energy-intensive manufacturing processes that rely heavily on fossil fuels, there is an issue with the amount of energy used in agriculture. Organic farmers find their method of farming to be profitable and personally. Certified organic. It is a term given to products produced according to the organic standards as certified by one of the certifying bodies. There are several certification bodies operating in India. A grower wishing to be certified organic must apply to certification body requesting an independent inspection of their farm to verify that farm meets the organic standards. Farmers, processors and traders are each required to maintain the organic integrity of the product and maintain a document trail for audit purposes. Products from certified organic farms are labeled and promoted as certified organic. Organic market of India. India is the largest exporter of organic cotton worldwide. More than 30% of India's world's producers are there in India. India exporting over 300 products in 20 different categories. India exported 1.35 million metric tons of certified organic food in the year of 2015-16. Oilseed comprised half of India's all over organic food export, followed by processed food products as 25%. Current Indian organic market is estimated at more than rupees 4,000 crore and it is likely to increase to 10,000 to 20,000 crore by 2020. Indian organic market has a combined annual growth rate of 25% compared to 16% global rate. Organic Sikkim. India's first 100% organic state, Sikkim has won the Oscar for best policies. conferred by the Food and Agriculture Organization for the World Best Policies Promoting Ecological and Sustainable Food Systems. Sikkim beat 51 nominations from 25 different countries of the world to win the Future Policy Award 2018. The Chief Minister of Sikkim, Pawan Kumar Chamling, received the award from Deputy Director of Conclusion. Organic farming can be a viable alternative production method for farmers, but there are many challenges in it.